guys, welcome back to BRtool series again. So in the previous class we had discussed about start stop of database. Now we are going to discuss about triggering backup. How can we trigger a backup and what are the types of backups are there, we can see from here. So to trigger the backup, again we have to connect to BRtools. Let's go to our system first. So I am using Windows system here as of now. So the system is up and running, you can see the MMC, and now I am connecting to the SAP level. Just I will show you the database size and etc. Then we can start with the backup. So DB02 is for our basic Oracle administration. So let's see here what is the database size and all. So space overview, from here you can see size is of 85.20 GB. So this is of our database size. Let's see how to trigger a backup of this one. So the backups you can see from /ODB12. So here you can see the backups. Actually on 22nd there is a backup started and it got hung, I think. So this is about the backups. You can see here from here you can see redo log backups. So this is about DB12. And one more thing, from SAP level, by using DB13 we can trigger the backup. Suddenly now I want to trigger one backup. Let us consider today is 10th October. So I'll go with this and I'll put the cursor somewhere in 10th, like it should be the future timing, not the past timing, and just click on add action. So you will be able to perform the backup here. Like maybe I want to perform full database online backup. I can trigger this. I can give the timings and recurrence. I can give the recurrence also. Like I want this backup to be done every day. So every days, like I can put every day like this, every day at so on so time, or weekly once I need, let us say. So I will click on week and I will put on the day on which day the backup has to be run. So like this we can easily do via interface. And let's see now how to do it via BRtools. So I am into that server only. I install on logon pad here to don't go there and come here. So again we'll go with PowerShell, BRtools, and here I'll go with option number 4, backup and database copy. So see here. So here we have some options: database backup, archive log backup, database copy, non-database backup. So we have many options. So let's go with database backup, option number 1. So you can see here the backup device type is tape. So maybe organizations uses tapes also to perform the backups. IBM Tivoli tapes are there, HP data protector tapes are there. So it's up to the company's planning how to secure the backup. So currently I don't have any tape setup, so I will click on number 2. I'll change it to some other. So I will choose the option of disk, because into the disk I am writing the backup. Okay, after this, see, next tape volume, it's not required now as it is not tape. And now backup type it is asking. So maybe in business time, in business hours I am running the backup, I can't go to offline. So I'll go with online consistent backup. So I have given this one as well, online cons, and click on continue. Confirmation mode yes, query mode no, compression no. If you want to compress, we can compress, but mostly we won't go with compression option. So now continue. So this is the SQL happening in this is the command happening inside to run this particular backup. Okay, let's go continue. So last BR backup run was probably killed. Okay, continue. So we see right one backup run, maybe that is killed. Let's see once. Even from db02 also we can go to db12. So here backup logs is the db12 option. So again it is running, it's not terminated as of now, but a new version, a new one is triggered. You can see here on 8th dated and 11:32, just now it's got triggered. You can see here logs, probably last one was killed, and when we see continue, so the particular backup is storing in this place. See, control file copied, created, and yeah, database file for backup. This is the file it is taking. Backup size is this and will not be compressed. Files will be saved on disk directory, this one. So this is the path in F Oracle SID SAP backup, and here the file is creating. So let's go F Oracle SID SAP backup, and here you can see the file name, folder name bfkebxkk. Where is this folder name? I think it's above only. Let's see again. So as of now the folder is not created, so this is the AND file which created for the backup. So we have to give a continue. Now it will create the folder and it will take backup of our data files, sr3 data 1, sr3 data 2, like that. So you can see here now the particular folder as well. See here our data files will be backed up here. Where the data files resides? Usually Oracle SID, and in SAP data 1 to 4 I have 1 2 3 4. Here the data files will be stored. Even I can create data 5 as well, and while adding the data files, we will discuss this in next topic. So while adding the data file we have to decide in which folder it has to go. So let's see, sr3 data 1 to 20 are there, so these files will be backed up now. Let's see how it will complete. It takes some time, right? So I will show you after completion of this backup. So we can see here that the backup, actually we triggered it in some time back, right? So after some time it is completed. I am checking later. I got an update like this: backup finished with return code 1. Do you want to continue or ignore? I said continue, and after that it is asking like the menu came, so I can go back, and I am in main menu. I can exit by saying yes. So it is done. Let's check SAP level also. So in the morning session, like in the starting session, we see that it is started and not ended. Now you can see that. So for our database it took around 11:30 to 12:30, 1:30, approximately 2 hours it took to complete the backup. So you can see the backup here, and I am into that server, right? So I can see from here also, from Oracle SID SAP backup, and what is the file name? This one. So I can see the size from here as well. So around 83 GB the database size was. So it's backed up. So by using this backup I can restore same database some other system also, as part of refresh or as part of any recovery scenarios we can perform that. So this is about the backup. We'll connect with one more topic, guys. Thank you for watching.